if you want to do some kind of changes to your images, that means simply if you want to get the makeup or you want to remove the pimples, like those things, you can use the Photoshop again. Go to the file, open. I'm going to get this image, open. Right, I'm going to zoom it. I'll remove the pimples in this image. It's easy. Simply, it's a spot healing brush tool. Get it? And reduce the size. It's better. Okay, a little bit increase it. And click on the dust mark and pimples. Easily you can remove the pimples. Or some in your skin. Easy. Right. After do all changes, you can see it's a little bit sharpened. You want to get the blur look, or you can smooth look into your face, and you can use the blur tool. Click on the blur tool and give the soft touch to your image. Now it's recover step by step. Some kind of software as a camera tool, camera apps using this method, that's when they are blur your image. It's more helpful to get the smooth look to your face. If you want to get the patches, if you want to create the patches in the face, nothing trouble, you can use the sharpen tool here. You can build some patches on the images, but don't do it. And you can smudge tool. Click on the smudge tool. You can smudge the image. Smudge the image. It's more helpful for those few changes. Let's mean like this, and changes. Smudge like this. Slowly smudge your image, and you can do the kind of changes. And if you want to lighten the image, you can use the dodge tool. Right. This is lighten the image. Increase the size of it, and you can quickly lighten the image with a few touch. And if you want to darken the image, again you can use the burn tool. You can darken the image. Trouble, I'm going to use the dodge tool because and reduce the hardness, increase the size, and yes. And then I can sponge tool. Using the sponge tool, you can change the saturation. That's when you saturate or desaturate your image. Change the size. Simply again use the option bar. Saturate means increase the color in your image. Desaturate means decrease the colors in your image. Saturation is good. Saturate, and I give the few saturation to the image. I can increase the color level. Then I want to zoom it. Zoom tool. Zoom the eyes, and I want to convert these eyes as blue colored eyes. I can use simply color replacement tool. Set the size as the eye size. Okay, it's okay. It should be blue. Okay, it's too much. A little bit light. It's okay. Increase the size. Check whether zoom out. Yes, you can use it. So using those methods, you can do any changes, or you can use the lipsticks and everything. I use few tools. One is simply I use the spot healing brush tool to remove the dust mark and patches. Then I do some kind of color balance and everything using the blur tool, smudge tool, and the dodge tool. You You can check all those tools, and you can use the color replacement tool to replace the color and give the new look to all kind of images. Do it in yourself.